to get some bait for tonight for the catfish.
See one right now.
Drop it down in there. Oh, come get it.
That one.
Nice, Kikes. Get it up over the land. Put your pole down like I said. Alright, go. You gotta get over here and look.
Right there.
No, it's not a prank. Seriously, look.
Yeah, look, there's really
Look right next to the spray can.
and then it can't go out. We'll catch it and then we'll put it out there in the water.
No.
You don't want to do it? No. There you go. Got it.
Got him?
Yep, little sunny. Or crappy or whatever. We call it something.
So small.
But we got to put it over there now because he got trapped. So put it over there. It'll get bigger.
Here, hold him. Here, you can take him over there before he dies. You should cut that thing up.
Oh, let's do that.
Yeah.
Let's use bait.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, don't. Let's not release it then. Okay, here, bring it over here. I got a little knife over here. I got a flame knife too, actually.
Yeah, me too.
That I haven't used yet.
So my dad here caught a fish.
At the same time that Kylie caught one.
Yeah.
Down on the ground. Don't get near the rock.
It's super dark.
Alright, this one's a big one.
Yeah, this is huge.
All right.
What did you say?
Come on, Tim.
Swimming, man.
Caught a fish.
No, the line's still way over there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's over.
Past
Daddy,
that.
what did you tell me to do?
I said don't go near that rod.
Hang on, Rich.
Because it has
I
a...
see the line right here.
Do you?
Yeah, it's still going.
Swimming fast, man.
It's over. It's
Holy
all
crap.
the way-
Steve, heads up. Don't get the line caught, guys.
Kayla, watch out. I see the line still.
It's coming still. It's back
Just to get the
here.
line off.
There's two lines.
There's that line that I cast.
Here, this is the line you cast?
Yeah.
Holy crap, here, just pull it.
Hang on, there's a hook somewhere.
It's like whenever we catch a fish, something has to go wrong.
Is
that
I don't
Fish
feel
grabbed
that.
it and swam across.
Is that the one that fish is on?
I think so. Is it still tight? Yeah, kind of. Oh,
I
yeah,
see
that's
it.
hot. Holy shit.
Here, let me
You caught a big one, Dad. That's huge.
It's right there.
It's going underneath, I can't see it.
Whoa.
This is a different kind of catfish.
Oh shit, get him, dude. Yeah, boy.
Whoa.
Hey. Kylie, did you get a video of that?
Yeah, this huge.
Man.
That's in a different color and it's...
Yes, that is a channel cat.
That's a
big-
channel cat.
That's as big as can be.
Take a picture of that. Kylie's caught something.
Come on, keep going, keep going. Oh, there you go.
Good job, Kylie. Oh my God.
Heck yes.
Kylie, you
That
felt
was
it.
bigger than anyone else across before.
Hey, high five, Kikes. Oh my God. Look at that thing, Kylie.
All right, let's bring it over here so you can take it out of the net.
She said she felt it. She said something's biting my... Kylie said, I think my thing is stuck.
I
Kylie,
thought...
that's bigger than any
That's
one's
big.
caught
That's
there,
why it
Dick.
felt stuck. Look at that big old thing.
You want to hold it?
No.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look at that. You still got your bait, too.
Kylie,
That's
you
even better.
crushed it. Girl, give me a thumbs up or something. There you go.
We got a high five. Good job.